Hey guys, welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. I'm Anita Gupta and we will be learning this beautiful collection of Rakhis for the upcoming festival of Raksha Bandhan. Aren't they unique and cute, guys? I'm just in love with them. You will not get this beautiful Rakhis in market, and even if you get it, they will not be pocket friendly. But all these Rakhis you can create in a very pocket friendly budget, and they are reusable. Later, you can use them as keychain, fridge magnets, and we are going to create this beautiful Lumba Rakhis which can later be used to make your dupattas and sarees look adorable. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the list of materials required. I might have missed few basic ones. This is the important ingredient, Fabicryl Mouldit, which is an air dry clay, and we are going to make use of it for the base of our rakhis. We have to mix it in equal proportions, and the main important thing is it need to be worked within 30 to 35 minutes, otherwise it gets hard as a rock. So mix it nicely and then make a ball like this and give it a circular shape. If you cannot give it a circular shape, easily use some cap, bottle cap. Now I am using this wire which is used for making our jewelry, and I am inserting it to tie our rakhi. You can use the eye pin available in market, but as I didn't had it, I just did the jugaad. Now with the help of talcum powder, just smoothen it nicely. Now we are making another rakhi base. It is perfectly round in shape. With the help of a toothpick, let's make a hole to insert our thread for rakhi. So just apply little talcum powder on the toothpick and make the hole. Now I am placing this beautiful mirrors. So here the design depends on you, how you want to decorate your rakhi. It's all up to you what you want to use. The outcome will be fabulous, guys, I'm telling you. So just stay tuned. After this mirrors are fixed on both sides, I'm just removing the toothpick. So you guys must be wondering, what is this dry mango powder packet doing here? Why has she brought it? Let me tell you, we are going to use this as a base for our rakhi. It's a Lumba Rakhi and we want to give this conical shape, and for giving that shape I am using this waste material. So waste out of best is a best policy. Now let's roll out the clay which we will be fixing on top of our cone that we have prepared. So I have rolled it with the help of a brush. Now just make it smooth with the talcum powder and cut one side. Just place it and just flatten it properly. You have to play a little bit to smoothen it because it's required to give it a good finishing. So you need to have a little patience while working with this, but the final outcome will be awesome, guys. You just need to have patience. Now I have taken another piece of clay and making a round circle and inserting that same wire on both sides. So these are the few ways how you can add the thread to the rakhi. So whichever you prefer, I'll be showing you 3 to 4 ways how you can attach the threads of rakhi, and it's up to you which one you want to go for. So just I'm smoothing it to give it a nice finishing touch, And I love playing with this clay. It's so smooth, soft, the texture itself. I just enjoy working with it. And I hope you guys will also enjoy when you make one. Now I am making a square shape out of clay. So these are the various bases for Rakhis which we are preparing, and you need to have a little patience while working with them. Now I am using, this is another way to make holes to attach our thread. Now I'm just giving it a shape. Shape is very important, guys. We need to have proper shape with good finishing for making our Rakhis. Now I am taking a rectangle shape. So guys, the choice is yours, what shape you want to mold this clay into. So use your imagination and creativity and create your own Rakhis. I'm sure handmade Rakhis will add the special touch, because handmade is always special, and if brother receives handmade Rakhis, it will be really different and unique idea. And who knows, if your brother likes it, he will be like giving you double or triple of what he wanted to give you as a Rakhi gift. Let's get back to making Rakhis, guys, because it said that कर्म करना हमारा काम है, फल की इच्छा नहीं रखनी है. So better concentrate on making beautiful Rakhi rather than wishing for a adorable gift. Okay, so I have given a texture to this Rakhi, and now I am applying teal blue color on this bead that we created. We will be using it as a Lumba Rakhi. All this color has to be applied once the clay is dried, guys. Keep in mind, don't apply color on the wet ones because you might mess with the finishing. So just you need to have patience to let the clay dry, and only after that apply the color. And one more important thing, guys, all these colors that I am applying, they are given double coats, because with single coat you might not get the proper finishing. So each and every Rakhi has been double coated. Now I have taken this glass color from Favicil. It is water based. We are applying this on our Lumba Rakhi base because we want a shiny texture on it, and with glass color we get that. On this Rakhi I am applying golden color. You guys must be wondering why I am shifting from one Rakhi to other and not finishing one Rakhi at a time. This is pearl turquoise color from Favicil. It is used to apply the shiny texture. So I am doing that because each and every color has to dry first for it to apply the second layer. And before applying the colors, even the clay needs to dry. So that's why I have like multitasked in creating this Rakhis one after the other. So whichever was like dry, I have applied the layer. That way I have worked with this Rakhis, and guys, believe me, it is looking like I have done it in 20 minutes, but actually it has taken me approximately 2 days, because I have not completed them in one sitting. I have like multitasked with my household chores. Now I am working on the design of this Mandala Rakhi. This is my favorite, guys. I am applying this ultramarine color with the help of 0 number brush. So you have to be a little patient when you create this one, but I am telling you guys, the result will be amazing. So out of all these Rakhis, whichever you like, you can create it, and you are the best one. Who knows that what is the taste of your brother. So make the Rakhis as per your brother's liking, choices. I am sure, guys, your brother is going to love this type of handmade Rakhi. It will be worth the efforts that you are going to put in. So just enjoy the process. It's like therapy when I created this Rakhi, guys. It's mandala, so highly therapeutic. Now I am giving this design. So alternately I am filling with the ultramarine blue color. So the colors are your choice, guys. I just focus this time on teal blue because it's one of my favorite colors, and I wanted this type of vibe of coolness, calmness. So I have given the blue ka touch, but it's up to you and your brother's choice which color you want to choose. So go on and explore these Rakhis with your favorite colors and add your own touch. I would love to see your creation, guys. Here in this Rakhi, you can add name in the center. I haven't added uh, because I was not sure which brother I'm going to tie this Rakhi to. I am adding a floral pattern to this Rakhi. So here also I have applied like 2 coats of this petals. Now I am applying golden yellow and putting dots with the help of brush. So how are you liking it, guys? Isn't it awesome to create this beautiful handmade Rakhis? Now give this outline to the flower with ultramarine blue and the detailing. I'm just loving it. It's worth all the efforts that I have put in. I wanted to teach you something different for this Raksha Bandhan. So I have come up with so many Rakhi ideas. Actually, I wanted to go for 1 or 2, but then I just could not resist to teach you more. So this way I am coloring it. Here also in center you can write the name. And this is the golden one. Here I am making a floral pattern. So use 2 coats of this white color. You can use the colors of your choice, as I already said. I'm using pink color, light pink color here for the inner part. So this way you give the detailing to your flower. And the borders of the flower. So guys, which Rakhi you are going to prepare out of this? If you like all, you can go ahead and prepare all. Now I am applying dots with the help of toothpick. And you might be wondering why these mirrors are covered. But don't worry, guys, just have patience. I will teach you what next to do with the mirrors. So I have taken a toothpick, and with the toothpick just peel it off. That will be easy. And so the mirrors are shiny and ready. Oh my god, guys, here is the collection. Now we need to do the important task of applying the threads. I have taken this Lumba Rakhi first, and I am putting this tassel inside the Lumba, and on top of it the base that we created with this bead. So it's up to you how you want to decorate it. This is what I found, so I went with that. And now this is a brother and Bhabhi wala combo. So here the Rakhi with the same touch and the Lumba. So both for bhaiya and Bhabhi it's ready. And it's my favorite, guys. It's looking so awesome. Now let's decorate all the Rakhis with the thread. You can apply beads of your choice. You can even make beads with the clay. That is also an option if you don't have beads. See this floral Rakhi, isn't it pretty? Although it's not blue, but it is pretty. Now the other way. So guys, that's what I was saying, that I'm going to teach you how to apply thread in different ways. So it's now your choice how you want to apply it. Either use this trick or just directly make holes, or the way I showed you with the toothpick, so make a hole in the middle. So whichever way you want to go. Wow, again this is looking so pretty. Now if you don't have wool, you can use this cotton thread. Here I was not able to insert the needle, so I have applied a trick. First I have applied Favicol on tip of the thread and let it dry, and then it was easy. So this way our next Rakhi is also ready. Cute collection, guys. I'm just loving it. See, so this way create your own Rakhis. Okay, this Lumba I'm decorating with some pearl and mirrors. Your Bhabhi will be crazy, guys, to receive such a beautiful Lumba Rakhi, which she can later reuse in her blouse, dupatta or sari. They are in so much trend, these Lumbas. They, they look so charming on the dupattas. They just add to the beauty of the blouses. You can even use it in your cars as a dangler or in your balcony and create a wind chime out of it. Please don't forget to check DIY Rakhi Gifts playlist. I'll be putting the link in the description box below for creating your Rakhi gifts. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed it, subscribe it now. Until then, adieu all. Bye bye. Have a lovely Raksha Bandhan and create beautiful memories.